All the way from there till there, it's all uphill. It's pretty tough.
The world is like a book, and people who do not travel means they have just read the first page.
Hello, namaste, beautiful people, and welcome to the final episode of Solo in Sikkim series with me, Chandan. अगर आपने मेरे previous videos नहीं देखा है तो ये है Tagalong Backpackers Hostel जहाँ पे मैं रुका था during my time in Gangtok. It has an in-house cafe called Travel Cafe, a cozy and perfect place to hang out and meet new travelers. My plan for today is to cycle all the way from my hostel to Tasi viewpoint. हालांकि मैंने ये जगह देख ली है on my second day in Gangtok. Do check out my video Things to Do in Gangtok. Today is my last day here in Gangtok and I have plans to go cycling. This video is a little longer than usual, but you'll enjoy if you'll stick with me till the end. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज की ride. That's the plan for today. The weather is quite sunny, so I guess I'll be tired. But let's see. The road from here is pretty steep, so it's not possible to ride. This is the road. It's all uphill. सर इनसे मोनेस्ट्री कता हो त हजुर Hello everyone, what is up? My name is Chandan. Welcome back to my channel. So I took a rental bicycle here in Gangtok and I'm trying to cover a few places like Inche Monastery and Ganesh Talk. It's pretty steep. I mean, riding bicycle is tough in this condition. The weather is sunny, and how long will I walk the bicycle along with me? It's tough. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can make out from my face, but I'm so damn tired. Look at the road below, so steep. It's not possible to ride up this uphill. I don't know how further up it is. Inche Monastery. I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna take my own time to reach up the monastery. If I had only known कि मुझे 5,400 फीट से लेके 6,500 फीट की ऊंचाई साइकिलिंग करनी है तो शायद मैं करने से पहले बहुत बार सोचता. It's all uphill. I don't know how further up it is. So I think guys, one more turn, one more uphill road, and then we'll be reaching Inche Monastery. Hello, bye. So guys, this is the Inche Monastery. Oh, it was really tiring coming here in a bicycle, but yeah, it's worth it. This monastery is beautiful. If you ever want to feel relaxed, you want to get out of your stress zone, do visit monastery or temple, just for the sake of clearing out your mind. It'll be awesome. It was so tiring for me to carry my bicycle with me all the way up here, but after reaching here, it's so relaxing, so peaceful. There are a lot of monasteries here, but a lot of them are closed, because of COVID. But this one was open, and I'm so glad I came here. तो आप अगर सिक्किम में हो तो कोई सा भी एक मोनास्ट्री विजिट ज़रूर करना. I sweated a lot today. Zero makeup from my face. I had a good lunch at just outside of Inche Monastery. But from there, I had to come downhill. That was okay. But again, all the way up, and I'm on the way to Ganesh Talk. So I think I should give it a try. Let's go to Ganesh Talk. So I don't want to waste no more time. Let's get going. Forgot my helmet, damn it. गणेश टक कति माथि हो बहिनी अझै धेरै माथि कति टन बापरे थ्याङ्क यू हेलो
हेलो
खै भाइ नाम भन न
आपका नाम
मेरो नेपाली हो म
ए नेपाली हो त
चन्दन
चन्दन
गणेश टकसम्म पुगदेऊ न गणेश टकसम्म Hello. So I've asked one of the kids to ride my bicycle, you know, because I'm pretty tired. These kids are returning back from school. Hello. कुन चाहिँ स्कुल हो तिमीहरूको कति टाढो छ गणेश मोनास्ट्री चाहिँ तिमीहरू तल हो कि अझै माथि हो गणेश भन्दा माथि गणेश टक भन्दा माथि थाके चलाउँदा साइकल हाई भन्दै Those kids, I think उसका भी हालत टाइट हो गया I think he also got tired. कता हो तिमी सिधै हो घर
यहाँ बाबा
Thank you.
वेलकम
So guys, finally reached Ganesh Talk. The road from here is not steep, I suppose. The road is amazing here. Look at this. Hello, bye. Hello. Cycling in this part of the town is awesome.
Nice bro, nice.
So guys, this is the Lhasa waterfall. I'd been here before on the second day of my Gangtok sightseeing. Today I came here in a bicycle. Hey, Donna. Supema Dodi helped me in shooting my bicycle video. Like, comment, subscribe, bhanu na. Loss of this, bhai.
Yo, what's your name, bro?
My name is Sunil Taral.
Oh,
ये हम है
छिटो छिटो चलाऊ मलाई 5 बजे दिनुपर्छ कि भाइ साइकल चानमारी
टाइम छ
उकालो चढ्नु पर्छ नि त
गणेश टक पुगेम छ नि
ओह्रालै छ लु लु
चलम चल्नु
यो 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 यो
चल्नु लो हो भाइ
So guys, this is the Tase viewpoint. I cycled all the way up here. This route, it's not allowed. It's army area. But this is Tase viewpoint. I have to return my bike by 4 o'clock, max 5 o'clock. So I'll be going now. I'll be cycling all the way. So I reached Tase viewpoint. and it was hectic. It was so tough. Some of the kids, school kids, they helped me. And wow, it was a pretty amazing day. Going downhill is awesome, man. Wow. Okay, so I'm back from my cycle trip. This is Hill Bike. It's in Chanmeri. And this is the shop. Bike name bhannu. Thank you. So you can contact him. This is the store where you can rent your bicycle from. Thank you, bhai. मजा आयो.
राइट सेफ
भयो होला राम्रो भयो होला है
कहाँ साह्रो पर्यो नि जाँदाखेरि त भन तासिकसम्म गयो त्यही भनेको हैन तिमी बुलबुले
6000 फिट हो नि माथि एल्टिट्युड राम्रो छ
अनि माथि म हिँड्दै हिँड्दै त्यसरी क्या साह्रो पर्यो एनीवे थ्याङ्क यू ल आज थका तो बहुत मैं बट ये एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ साइकिलिंग एंड मीटिंग न्यू पीपल अलोंग द वे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार था आई एम हियर एट दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड निम्तो I want to try out Nepali cuisine because Nepali culture and food is the specialty of Darjeeling and Sikkim. Let's go upstairs and ask them. Nimto matlab invitation. Nepali thali la yo thakali thali chicken. So this is a thali, guys. You'll get a bowl of rice, chicken, dal, another variety of dal. This is the saag, rai ka saag, aloo, pickle, and this is यो के सब्जी हो ए के अचार हो भाइ यो timbur. You know, you can order either veg, pork, mutton or chicken. And I'm having pork. Sorry, I'm having chicken, not pork. So yes, this is it. So I'm gonna eat my food now.
Happier time. Did not have much, but it was good.
You just had chicken and rice, right?
Some bit, yes.
The side dishes, no? They were really good. Thank you, bye. राम्रो लाग्यो खाना म त भोलि गएको अब फेरि नेक्स्ट टाइम आयो भने आउँछु ल थ्याङ्क यू है मैले
अरे कार्ड छोड दियो
थ्याङ्क यू
अरे so nice man.
Introduce yourself now.
Hi, my name is Madhur, and I know I heard it once, and it says the world is like a book, and people who do not travel means they have just read the first page. It was so inspiring. With the result, I have been traveling all over as in quite a lot of countries.
This is your first time in Sikkim, huh?
Yeah,
How did you like the place?
pretty good. And the best part about life is, if you are good, trust me, the world is good.
Yeah.
If you are not good, trust me, the world is really bad.
It's pretty pleasant, you know. I really had a good time here. So today is the day I'll be leaving for my home from Sikkim. If you like the content of my channel, please like, comment and subscribe. हर रोज बदलती मंजिल, हर वक्त बदलता नज़ारा, ये एक सफ़र का अंत ज़रूर है, पर दूसरे की शुरुआत भी तो है. मिलते हैं आपसे और एक दूसरे सोलो ट्रिप पे once the pandemic situation gets normal for everyone, and I hope that is soon. I do not know if I want to do it again. Yes, maybe not. I don't know. Hello, birdie. But look at my condition.